Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Learn Technical. Today we will unbox Dell Inspiron model 7506. This is a very elegant, delicate and sophisticated and inspired laptop which Dell has launched in March 2021. This is a very beautiful laptop which is 2-in-1. You can use as a tablet as well with touch screen, and it will be really grateful for students, professional work and new media creator also. Further, if you are looking for a laptop between $700 to $800, I prefer you will purchase Dell Inspiron model 75086 because it will give you a 12GB of RAM and 512GB of SSD hard drive. So let's move to the unboxing. So let's start the unboxing of Dell Inspiron 7506. When you open the box, first of all you will get the website address of Dell for the support. Now here is a plug. And this is a charger of Dell. Now this is our laptop, and the other thing we got the manuals. Manuals are very important to read it because it will give a safety precaution that how you can use the laptop according to the safety measures. So we will put over here. So this is our first look of Dell Inspiron 7506. Dell Inspiron 15 series model 7506, titanium silver color, display 15.6 full HD touch screen with webcam. Microsoft Windows 10 supported from Dell, and 30 days after trial for antivirus. In this you have Microsoft Office 365 2-day support, 512GB SSD card with 32GB Optimum Intel Rise X graphic. The looks of the laptop is very fabulous and amazing. If you can see, it is encouraging, and appearance is also very good. And if you can see, I have set the cool theme for the desktop mode, which looks like a Windows 11. In this laptop you will got the fingerprint option as well, and the most important and beautiful option which I like it personally is backlight of keyboards. If you can see, then as I have pressed F5, the keyboard backlight have been opened and which is looking very beautiful. So this is the 360 angle of this laptop. You can use as a tablet as well.
So the best part is, as the screen opens, it doesn't touch the ground. There are two stands over here. So those are the supporting stands that when you open the screen, it's gonna touch the ground and the screen is not gonna be touching the ground. So as you can see, these two stands, they are gonna be supporting in the part to lift the laptop rather than damaging the screen.
A beautiful logo in the center of Dell Inspiron. There is the two speakers and the air vent, and the rubber is also available to support it